Cocktails are being enjoyed by millions of people around the world. But what was the first ever cocktail? This is Insight. As Prohibition rolled around in 1919 across the USA, the practice and popularity of cocktails took a hit. As importing alcohol was quite difficult, people started making cheap alcohol, but it tasted so bad that they had to mix it with other ingredients in order for it to be drinkable. And enter the old-fashioned. Start off with a cube of sugar. Add 10 to 15 dashes of Angostura bitters. Muddle until dissolved. Add an orange peel and maraschino cherry. Ice. 2 ounces of bourbon rye. Stir for 20 to 30 seconds. And you have the old-fashioned. The famous drink was invented by a bartender and master distiller, James E. Pepper, at the Pendennis Club in Louisville, Kentucky, before he brought the recipe to the Waldorf Astoria Hotel Bar in New York City. The old-fashioned sparked interest across speakeasies and very quickly rose to popularity. Sales of the drink spiked as it was tasty and quick to mix. People are still divided whether the Sazerac or the old-fashioned was the first ever cocktail. But most documents like the Modern American Drinks book refer to a drink with the same characteristics as the old-fashioned. So the next time you go to a bar, remember to order an old-fashioned and taste the history.